Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching With the News. In Himachal Pradesh's Shimla, tensions have escalated over the presence of an allegedly illegal mosque in the Sanjole area, leading to a large-scale protest. On Thursday, September 6, a massive demonstration was held by several residents and some organizations calling for the immediate demolition of the mosque, which they claim has been unlawfully constructed. The protesters asserted that the mosque's 4 floors were illegally added and should be demolished. Previously, the issue was also raised in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly. Congress leader Anirudh Singh bore the brunt of his own party members' anger when he pointed out in a session that the mosque in Shimla was constructed illegally. Amidst protests from the MLAs of his own party, Singh demanded investigation into the construction of Shimla's Sanjoli Masjid. He also raised the issue of rising tensions in the area. Anirudh Singh and Harish Janartha engaged in a heated debate over the mosque's legality. Janartha insisted that while the mosque's original structure was built before 1960, the additional floors were constructed in 2010 were illegal and built on land owned by Waqf Board. He further mentioned that illegal toilets on the premises had already been demolished, accusing certain elements of unnecessarily escalating the situation.
पर वेरिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए कोई भी प्रदेश में आदमी जो काम करने वाला आएगा। और प्रदेश जो है वो हिमाचलियों के लिए सर क्या करते हैं सर, पहले आएंगे बैठेंगे, फिर तय का लाइसेंस ले लेंगे, बाद में कोर्ट में जाएंगे, तय को उठा नहीं सकते सर। 190 का पूरा डाटा बहुत बढ़िया लेके आए हैं सर। ये केवल मात्र हिमाचली बोनाफाइड होना चाहिए, वही तय हो सकता है सर, ये कानून आना चाहिए।
The controversy took a heated turn after a recent incident in which a Hindu man was allegedly attacked by goons, further inflaming communal tensions. Protesters claim that the attack is indicative of a broader issue involving the rising number of Muslims in the state, including potential illegal immigrants like Rohingyas and Bangladeshis. This has led to demands for an investigation into the growing Muslim population in Himachal Pradesh. Anirudh Singh also acknowledged that the number of Muslim Tehbazri holders was significantly higher than initially reported. He emphasized that these permits should only be issued to bona fide Himachalis and that permissions given to outsiders should be revoked. Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu sought to downplay the situation, stating that the government had no intention of disrupting any community, but also stressed that law and order would be maintained. As protests continue to gain momentum with the involvement of influential figures like Devbhoomi Kshatriya Sangathan President Rumit Singh Thakur, questions arise about the legitimacy of the mosque and the intentions of Muslim community in the region. The protesters argue that if such illegal activities continue, they will pose a threat to social fabric of the state and the nation as a whole. This controversy not only raises concerns about the legality of the mosque, but also broader issue of unchecked growth and potential for communal unrest. If such incidents are not addressed with firm action, the country could face increased tensions and divisions, endangering national unity and peace. The question remains, how much longer will the community be allowed to act with impunity, and what steps will be taken to safeguard the interests of the majority?